Hey everyone, welcome you all to BioSchool. In today's session, we are going to solve a tricky question from 3-point cross. I do have a video on 3-point cross. If you have not watched that video, then please do watch. So it will be very easy for you to solve this question. So let's begin. So this is the question. In Drosophila, bare eye B is a dominant mutation, while miniature wing small m and yellow body color small y are recessive mutations. Heterozygous females for these mutations were crossed to normal-eyed miniature winged and yellow body colored males. Assume the following progeny was obtained. Okay, so after the cross, the progeny what obtained are presented here. Based on the results obtained, the order of the gene will be, we have to find out the gene order. First question is to find out the gene order. Then second question, the genetic distance between B and Y. Then we have to find out the gene distance. Gene distance between B and Y. So for solving this type of question, first what we have to do, find out the parental gene combination and double crossover. So how can we find the parental combination? Parental combination always has maximum number. Okay, apply that trick here. 185, it is the maximum number, so it is a parental type. But look at the genotype. B plus MY. B plus MY is the parental type. So the other parent should have maximum number. Next maximum number is 165. This is also parental type. Look at the genotype. It is just opposite to this one. Okay, B M plus Y plus. Okay, so one parental type is B plus MY. So other one should be opposite of that. That means it will be B M plus Y plus. Okay, just remember, first of course you will look into the highest number, then look at the genes. 185 and 165. Okay, here it is satisfied. Then we have to look at the double crossover. Double crossover means minimum number. Which one is the minimum number? 20. Okay, DCO, double crossover, 20. And the genotype is BMY. BMY equal to 20. So the other one, it will be that one opposite of that. That means B plus M plus and Y plus. Okay, so this is the trick to find out the double crossover. B plus M plus Y plus, it is 30. So the second double crossover, it will be 30. You may now think that why not is 25? Okay, if it is at 25, then look for the genotype. If one double crossover has genotype is B, M and Y, then other one should be B plus M plus Y plus. Which one is like this, B plus M plus and Y plus. But here it is B, M and Y plus. Okay, so this is not the double crossover. So here the trick is B plus M Y 185 is one parent, then opposite B, then M plus and Y plus 165. Also both have maximum number. So these are the parental types. And the double crossover, minimum number. First go for the minimum number. The minimum number is BMY as 20. So after getting that, just find out the gene combination. Okay, the gene combination, it will be just opposite of that, like B plus M plus and Y plus. This one will be your second double crossover product. Okay, which is 30. So I'm repeating again. Of course, the parental type have maximum number. Just go for the maximum number. Then look at the genotype. Then find out the second genotype for double conformation. Similarly, for double crossover, minimum number is one double crossover. After getting one double crossover, look at that genotype and find out the other genotype. Okay, to double confirm and to make sure that you are doing is correctly. Okay, so after getting the parental type and double crossover, to find out the gene order, we have to compare between these two. Let's compare. B plus MY. MY, it is similar both in parent as well as in double crossover. So let's look at the others. B, M plus Y plus. M plus Y plus is similar. So which one is different? The different one is B, right? The different is B. So which one is different? That should be present at the middle, right? So what will be the gene order? Gene order, it will be M, B, Y. Okay, so we get our first answer. The first answer, it will be the M, B, Y. Then in the next step, what we have to do? We have to find out the distance between B and Y. How can we find out the gene distance? Gene distance, it is calculated by recombination frequency. By recombination frequency. So recombination frequency equal to total number of recombinant. Total number of recombinant means single crossover plus double crossover divided by total number of progeny multiplied by 100. Okay, the double crossover products we know. Then we have to find out the single crossover. So I am here writing down the correct gene order of parent. This one as M, B plus B, it will be at the middle. Then Y. Then other one, it will be M plus B and Y plus. Okay, this is the correct gene order of parental type, and we have to find out the gene distance between B and Y. Okay, so let's cross over these two, and after crossover, the product always start to read from left to right. So what will be the one product? One product will be one product will be M, B plus Y plus one single crossover product, and other one it will be M plus B Y. M plus B and Y. Now we have to find out the value of this single crossover from the question. What is the order? M, B plus Y plus. Remember, M, B plus Y plus. M, B plus Y plus. It is your, okay. So it is 120. Okay. Then, and the other one, just opposite of this. Okay. That is B, M plus and Y. This one, it is 110. So we got our single crossover product. One is 120 and other one is 110. Put this 120 and this one is 110. So 100 recombination frequency equal to 120 plus 110, and double crossover products, double crossover, the minimum numbers, and by comparing the gene we have find it out. Okay, so it is 20 and 30. Then 20 plus 30 divided by total number of progeny. So how come you will find out the total number of progeny? For finding out the total number of progeny, we have to add all these, like 30, 25, 165, 120, then 20, 185, 110, then 45. By adding all this, you will get the total number of progeny. If I will add all this, then I will get 700. So the total number of progeny is 700. Just put it here. By 700 multiplied by 100. Calculate. Equal to 280 divided by 7. 280 divided by 7 means 40. It is 40%. Okay. B and Y, the recombination frequency between B and Y is, if recombination frequency is 40%, then what will be the gene distance between B and Y? It will be 40 centimorgan. It will be 40 centimorgan, as 1% is equal to 1 centimorgan. So 40% is equal to 40 centimorgan. Distance between them is 40 centimorgan. So we have solved the question and got our answer. The gene distance between B and Y is 40 centimorgan and the gene order is MBY. So the correct answer is Q and R. The correct option is option B. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm hoping that this video will definitely help you in a way to clear your idea about 3-point cross. Though the parental type is maximum number and double crossover has minimum number, but to be double confirmed, to be sure, don't forget to check their genotype. Okay, always the genotype, it will be in opposite. If you like this video, then please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.